Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and yes, I'm in like the trunk of my car again. This should be the last time I do a haul from the trunk of my car, but yeah, hopefully it will be. Anyways, I need to get all this out of here again, so let's get started. This is a Dollar Tree haul. I just wanted to show you a couple of things I got. I picked up this rainbow wreath, and it does say like rainbow wreath form. You can see the picture, and I'm sure you could get the circle and cut it in half, but I just feel like it wouldn't be the same because the other half wouldn't have, I don't know, the other half wouldn't have this, and then yeah, anyways, so this is a rainbow wreath form. If you saw my walkthrough, they also had the peace sign one. Ow, I just cut my knee with it, but I did not get that one. And then I did pick up the glass etching cream just to try. It's 0.7 ounces. Somebody did comment and say that it was not good, but I had already gotten it. It's from the Crafter's Square, so we'll see how it goes. Let me get all these together. I think that's all of them. I finally found them. Let me see. Let me see if I can get them all and see if they'll show up in like a picture or whatever it's called. So let's see. Okay, guys, give me a second. Let's see. Hold on. I don't know how to make one. Anyways, so I found the faux leather, and this is the brown, I believe, and it is 11.75 inches by 20 inches from the Crafter's Square. The faux leather, they had a lot. I definitely did not get, like, I just got what I thought I wanted. This is the vinyl paper, 12 inches by 48 inches, and this is the silver one. I do have a Cricut, so. And this is the glitter paper black vinyl permanent paper. Got that one, and that's also 12 by 48 inches. And then this is the permanent glitter paper rose gold. This was my favorite, so I got that one, 12 by 48 inches. So those are the cool finds I found there. Hold on, I'm gonna have to put these in the bag. I was trying to just put them in the back of my car, but my driveway's on like a slant, and so they're all sliding out of my car. Okay, hold on one second, guys. Okay, guys, sorry. I tried to like change the angle of the video, and now we're just a hot mess. Oh gosh, it's gonna drop again. Anyways, you know, who cares about me, right? Let's just see what else I got in here and get this over with. I did pick up the rice sticks, new brand, General Mills. This is the 12 ounces, gluten-free. I love this. We have the that monk sugar, so I like to either put that in it, or I just put this and like some garlic powder or something in a bag and use it like a snack mix. So that. Okay, I'm trying to, yeah. I did pick up the color and stick sticker sets for Star Wars. My 19-year-old, again, I like to send him little care packages. So this is just the regular Star Wars stickers, and these are the ones he can color. And so it's 2 sticker sheets, 2 coloring sticker sheets, and 3 mini markers. So I'll send him those just to have. I did pick up just the plain old zipper binder for some of my crayons and stuff for my patients, so I can keep them together for me. This is the Crafter's Square craft fabric, 20 by 21 inches, and this says like grateful. There we go. So this is more fallish, but you know, I found it, so I just got it. I did already use this. Obviously, this is just 4 things of Play-Doh. You've seen it before. I'm using it for my patients to help strengthen their hands. Also, I picked up some of the cards. I actually have one more, but we already used that one also, so that my patients can color them, paint on whatever they want, and then we can race them. So, got those. One second. Okay. I picked up, what do they call this? Bicycle wheel wreath ring. I don't know if I've hauled this yet, but if I haven't, here it is. Huge wreath ring. What am I going to do with it? No ideas, but I'll figure something out because I have decided I'm going to start crafting, right? Okay, let's move it along, Amy. Okay, actually, let's do these ones. I picked up 2 of these gorgeous cups. So this one is like a turquoise, says Hello Summer. Has beautiful flowers. This one has pineapple and says Tropical Life in pink, and it has the little milk cap bottles. I just noticed that it also has a thing so you could like hang it on something around your neck, I guess, if you wanted. But I did pick these up for 2 of my residents so they could put them on their wheelchairs, and they're perfect size for their cup holders. So I picked those up. Okay, and there's people walking by. Okay, hold on a second, guys. I'm trying to not let stuff fall out of my car either. Okay, I'm ready. So, I found some of the visors. This is the black one. Let me just put this one on. Yes, hello. So there's the black one. And I did pick it up in blue and in white for the 4th of July. They do have the Velcro on the back. I plan on tie-dyeing this and using markers and stuff. And on this one, I plan on reverse bleaching, and this one also. So I picked 3 of these up. They are by Juncture. I think they're absolutely amazing. For $1, my makeup gets all over them and ruins them anyways. My kids, my dogs, everything. So for $1, these visors, yes. And again, we have a pool, so we can wear them out by the pool. Keep moving, right? I thought this was cute, and this I have not seen, and it's small, so it says my first book of color, 96 pages of coloring, but it's like a little miniature one, so it's very small. It doesn't say how big it is, but it's a small book, and so, and it tells you what it is: truck, fishing boat, paintbrush, bathtub. So I just thought this was cute. It's 96 pages of it, and I don't know why I thought it was so cute. Very miniature, very small for my little patient small hands, so I liked that. I did pick up some double-sided craft tape just in case I run out. I don't want to have to go out. This is 0.3 inches by 33 feet, so I just picked that up. I did pick up the book rings. These are 10 piece, and these are 1 inch. So if you watch the video of my little golden book haul, which has like 20 little golden books in it that I got, I'm trying to mimic the books done by Lyric Lovers Crafts, and she uses the book rings to hold them together, and she even said, I wish they had the smaller ones, but they don't, and I found the smaller ones instead of the larger ones. So these are the 1 inch, and there is 10 in here by Jot, so I liked those. And then I think if you watch oh my gosh, I watch her all the time, and now I can't remember her name's Amy, and she's also from Arizona. Are you kidding me? I watch her all the time, and she does the singing at the beginning of every video. Gosh, I can't believe I don't remember her name. Bella's Bargains. She found this duct tape book and sent it to her grandkids and bought all the cute duct tape from Dollar Tree. So I finally found it. It's 101 more duct tape activities. Tape it and make more. And so I am excited about just trying this in general for myself, for my patients, just to see the different kinds of things that they have in here. I think under here it might have, so it says normally $16.99. I paid $1, so I was very excited about that. Moving on to the next bag, Amy. You guys, I just got screamed when I saw this. I'm so glad I'm a procrastinator, because if you watched one of my previous Dollar Tree hauls, I hauled limes that I was going to paint, like lemons. And since I'm a procrastinator, I have not painted them yet. So now I bought 4 packages of the 3 count of the lemons. So now I have 12 lemons, and I don't know how many limes, but I don't have to, now I just throw these in a bowl and I'm done. So I was so excited. Again, I picked up 4 of them, and they're by the Floral Garden. I was so excited. I'm continuing on. Oh my gosh, we're only at 6 minutes. This is like amazing for me. I did pick up the Brillo Basics Cleaning Wipes, 40 wipes. I loved that it was name brand. Again, there's 40. In my walkthrough, you'll see that they had another one that I think they said was for bathrooms. I guess I don't understand. This is multi-surface citrus cleaner. If you guys can tell me, why does it matter if it's for the bathroom or not? Like, I'm thinking that it's a wipe and you can use it for whatever. Like, I'd be like, oh, boys, don't use that in the kitchen because that is a bathroom wipe. Like, I don't understand that, but whatever. Okay, so I found, we use paper plates for everything. My lazy butt is not trying to do any more dishes than I already have to do. And so we use paper plates all the time. So this is 12 paper plates, 9 by 9, and I absolutely love them. So they will just go on my dining room table, and I'll just use them whenever because I like them. So this is called Sitting in Bars with Cake, Lessons and Recipes from 1 year of Trying to Bake My Way to a Boyfriend. I'm not going to try to lie to you guys. I do not read. I just don't read. But I think I'm going to read this book. So it was normally $24.99. I'm sorry, and so what it has, it's like rebounding is for basketball players and Taylor Swift, not you. But can somebody tell me what that flower is? I think I know what it is, but I don't want to lead you guys in the wrong direction, and I would like to know why it's in this book. So it's like, don't share your dating strategy with someone you want to date, the guy who knew too much. Chapter 4 is fruity. I'm trying to find chocolate banana cake with chocolate coconut frosting. Are you kidding me? Yes, please. But it's just like a bunch of recipes, but a bunch of her never would I ever, and things I did because of cake barring. I don't know. So anyways, I just thought it was so cute. It's a hardback book. It is amazing. And so I loved this. So I got it for $1. I did pick this up. I saw this on somebody's, I think it might have been Bella's Bargains book page also. I'm not sure. This is the Peppermint Bark Cookbook. Over 75 recipes for delicious homemade treats from milkshakes to cheesecakes. First of all, is this book gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it is so pretty. Normally, it says it's $21.95. I'm not paying $22 for a book when I don't even hardly read. But it has... So, I may not read and I may not clean very much. But guys, when it comes to baking, I bake all the time. So... yes, especially during the holidays, I could bake every day of my life. So this is gluten-free chocolate peppermint biscotti, pineapple bark bites. Oh yes. Mega minty and chocolatey bark. What's fates? Bark fates? I don't know what that is. Irish mint bark. Oh yeah. And so a lot of people like cookbooks. You can just look it up online. Guys, I am like a paper person. I still write paper lists. I still write paper notes. I still like to have paper cookbooks. Like, I'm just not good online. I'm not. And then I think that we might, oh no, we have two things. So I did pick up this first. This is just the little water container. I got these last year. This one is blue. I thought they worked absolutely amazing. Again, we drink a lot of bottled water, but sometimes when we're outside by the pool, like, we want to keep water that's really cold and we're out there for a long time, and then we do have a fridge outside, which I guess we could use. But if we don't use the outside fridge, then again, my kids have to drag their little wet butts through my house. And so sometimes I fill this up with a bunch of ice and like lemonade or water or something and put it outside on my back patio table so that when we're out there, we can just use little paper cups or something and just get small amounts when we get out instead of bringing out a big cup. We live in Arizona. It's 100 degrees sometimes, 110 degrees. So sometimes if you take a glass of ice water out to the pool, that's great, but an hour into the pool, or not even that, like, your water is hot already. And so if we do it in this and just fill it up with a lot of ice and then just the drink, like, it's going to stay colder. Why? I don't know. Now that I'm thinking about it, why do I think the ice is not going to melt in here, but it melts in a cup? But that was my idea when I bought it, guys. I bought it last year and it worked, but now I'm not knowing. I did find the dentist kit, 5 pieces. Do I have children that are going to use this? No, my children brush their teeth. But let me just tell you, when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh. So let me tell you, I would say 90% of my patients have sensory issues and do not brush their teeth. They can't stand it. So we get this piece, like a paper, it's a book, right? And there's teeth on it, and you brush the paper. Who wants to brush a paper? Like, that is not how you brush your teeth. That's not how you teach them to get around the sides and stuff. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, like, I can take this to my patient's house. I'll obviously use a real toothbrush. And then this is going to be so much more like interactive with them than brushing a paper. Like, on this, we can use like whipped cream, we can use regular toothpaste, we can use shaving cream, we can use whatever it is. There's even a tongue, I just want to point out. But this is so much better and so just much more learning. If you have a young child who is learning to brush their teeth, this is so much better than brushing a piece of paper or looking at mom and dad doing it. I can't stick my head in your mouth to see how you're brushing your teeth, but here, you guys, when I saw this, I was like, you've got to be kidding me. Like, I love this. So I probably won't use like the other items, but this right here, I bought a couple because I don't know how bad it is and how if it's going to break, but this is one of the best inventions to brush your teeth I have ever seen. So, with that being said, guys, I think I made it through my whole Dollar Tree haul, and I was like, this might be 2 hauls. No, it's not, because I talk fast. So, I hope that everyone, I should have put this at the front, because I know a lot of people, sometimes I don't even stay for the end of some people's videos. I really hope, because this is a handy little thing. Alright guys, anyways, I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys!